derivative sum rule. If y is equal to u plus v, where u and v are the function of x, then its derivative of this function is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. मतलब अगर कोई फंक्शन y इक्वल टू यू प्लस भी है जहाँ u और v फंक्शन x का है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा dy by dx इज इक्वल टू d by dx ऑफ u प्लस v इज इक्वल टू du by dx plus dv by dx. For example, for example, if y is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2nx, to find dy by dx. Solution. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the power 4 plus 12x by using this rule. So d by dx x to the power 4 plus 12 constant, तो इसको बाहर लिखें तो dy dx of x using this rule for dy dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, where we have u is equal to x to the power 4 and v is equal to 12x. So 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1 plus 12 into 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. Since d by dx x to the power n equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, therefore 4 into x to the power 3 plus 12x to the power x naught 1 minus 1 0. So 4 into x to the power 3 plus 12, where x naught is equal to 1. Therefore dy by dx is equal to this answer. And the derivative y is equal to x to the power 3 plus 4 by 3 x square minus 5x plus 1. Solution. By using this rule, also find the derivative of this function. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx. It can be written as in this form: x cube plus 4 by 3 x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to, needs to be write in separate form of derivative dy by dx of x cube plus 4 by 3 is constant, so it can be written as outside of derivative d by dx of x square minus 5 d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1 is equal to 3 x to the power 3 minus 1 plus 4 by 3 into 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 minus 5 x to the power 1 minus 1 since this power is 1 plus this derivative 1 is 0 because 1 is constant. So 3 x to the power x square plus 4 by 3 into 2 x to the power 1 minus 5 x to the power x naught is equal to 3x square plus 8 by 3 minus 5. Here we use formula dx d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So this is my answer for this